The 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.